I hate it. I can't feel my package.
I feel like where the wee wee comes out. Look at my life backwards.
It's like he won't walk forward, but he won't back.
I think he doesn't want anyone to see.
Probably ashamed.
Like newbie?
Yeah.
Oh, Jaeger bomb. Jaeger bomb. Come on.
Oh, he's pissed.
Come on.
His ears are just right
Yeah.
up.
Come on. No, when he pisses, go straight back.
Yeah, they go like this.
It goes like this. Jaeger bomb. Come here, Jaeger bomb. Yeah, you smell your cat piss, don't you? Little fucker.
I think this is considered animal cruelty.
No.
It's pretty cool.
This is considered me not killing my cat, which would be she only walks backwards.
Hey, once the diaper gets off, he'll be more talented.
True. Yeah, you. That's, yeah.
He's gonna be so used to walking backwards when he's out of those, he's not gonna know how to walk forward.
That'd be too funny. What the fuck's my phone?
Oh, that poor cat.
You did not. Oh, I thought you went and got that Acer.
What?
Stupidest phone ever.
Yeah,
What, that
you're-
lotion head?
So we put the diaper on the cat. He can only walk backwards.
That's creepy.
He's walking so fucked up. Okay, bye. Too funny.
You're gonna have to go and buy him an actual cat diaper.
Yeah. I'll go tomorrow.
Put that shit on YouTube.
Jaeger, do you not like your diaper? What the fuck, man? What the fuck?
He's like, help me.
You don't like your diaper? My life is so hard. Maybe you won't piss on my bed. You wouldn't have to have the fucking diaper. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Come on, you can walk. Come on. Learn how to walk. Walk, come on, boy. Don't walk like an idiot. Come on. Don't. Just walk normally. Jaeger, stand on your feet. There. Now, come on. Come on.
He's scared.
He just flops over.
I'll be right between his legs.
Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. There we go. There. There. Now walk. Come on. Come on.
Come on, yeah, because they're built for flexibility.
Yeah, they're... Is that pee? Oh, I thought that was pee. That's what, like, what the fuck? There's a diaper on him. Okay. Come on. You can do it. There you go. Walk normally. You can do it.
I think you might need to make his tail hole a bit bigger.
Bigger?
Yeah.
No, it's got lots of room. Lots of room. He's purring, like it's not like it's hurting him or anything like that. It's just you don't care for him too much. Because he's got a lot of baggage right there. He's not quite used to it. Come on.
He's like, just kill me, man.
Come on. You can walk. 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 No. Stand up. There. Now, talk normally. You're a pupa. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You can play, right? Play? Can you play? Can you play? Yeah, you can play. You can play just fine. He looks like a squirrel now for some reason.
He's always looked like a squirrel.
Kind of, yeah.
I think it's because he won't actually, like, extend his legs all the way.
Trying to lick himself. I think it's too tight.
You know what? It's just because there's like, you can feel where his legs, like, his bones right here, and then.
Cat trying to... Look at the diaper.
Like, where's the light coming from?
Excuse me. Can I have some privacy, please? I figured out how he's gonna get out of the diaper, though.
Yeah.
He's gonna eat it.